Hey guys, Brent Lomer here from Fitness Revolution St. Pete. This is day 2 of the 15-minute Fat Furnace. Welcome back, welcome back. Appreciate you coming back. Hopefully day 1 is, the soreness from day 1 is starting to wear off a little bit and you're ready to hit these cardio intervals. You know what I mean? So with these cardio intervals, again, it's only 10 minutes, so 10 rounds of 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Okay, so that 30 seconds should be hard, should be 8, 9 out of 10. Okay, if we're doing a subjective scale, and then that 30 seconds is just completely off. Maybe walking around, checking your arms out in the mirror or something like that. Flipping your shirt up, seeing how your abs are looking, seeing how they're coming along. Do what you got to do, man. Do what you got to do. Nobody's watching. I'm not judging. So with these intervals, make sure you start off with a little bit of a warm-up. You can use the same warm-up that we've been doing with the strength training days. Okay, so that starts off with a lateral lunge. Let's do it. Right into the hip flexor mode, down on one knee. My inside leg relative to you is getting a stretch. Squeezing the downside leg's cheek. Keeping that prime rib fired up, you know what I mean? Abs tight. Going to our Spider-Man lunge with hip lift. So my outside arm relative to you has that hand on the shoe. My inside arm relative to you is supporting myself from falling on my ass. Spider-Man lunge with arm reach. Rotating up with this outside arm. Inside arm relative to you. Stepping back into yoga. Y'all see me? Downward dog. Going into your ankle rocks. Stretching out those heel cords. And flexibility in the heel cords allows for those squats to be nice and strong. Stepping up in a Spider-Man lunge with hip lift. So my inside arm relative to you is on my shoe. That's nasty. Reaching out with my outside arm. So if you remember, we're talking about going into hip flexor mode. This is kind of a flow, right? So you're flowing from one exercise to the next. Man, some people find doing this in the morning, right when they wake up, hitting a yoga flow like this, or mobility flow. Great for getting the blood flowing, great for opening up some range of motion. Quick, easy, takes, no more than 5 minutes. And you're mobile for the day, man. Alright. So I'm going to be setting this guy up on a timer. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. If you want, you can pay for an app. It's called Seconds app, and it's pretty sweet. Works good. It's complex, but simple at the same time. So we're 10 minutes of 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. This is going to be a good one here, boys. We're going to blast through that fat, get that body fired up, get that prime rib. Know what I mean? So 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. I'm going to be hitting mountain climbers here today. If you're following along at home and you're at home, certainly do mountain climbers. You can elevate your hands to make it easier. I'm going to go from the floor. But the option is all yours. You can be doing this on a bike. You can be doing this on a treadmill. You could be doing this running outside. Treadmill can be set up with a little bit of an incline, you know, maybe a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9% incline, and then picking your speed accordingly. Again, we're at an 8 or 9 out of 10 for difficulty here. I'm assuming that you've done a little bit as far as conditioning is concerned. So if you haven't done a lot, maybe peel back a little bit more. Go to maybe 7 or 8 out of 10 for a subjective scale. All right, let's hit it, boys. 10 minutes, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Let's shred it. I'm gonna feel really good after this. You're gonna feel really good after this, and we're gonna crush it.
Exercise 1.
Let's go. How's rep 1? Make sure if you're doing these mountain climbers, hips stay low, abs stay tight. It is as much a core exercise as it is a cardio exercise, so treat it as such, all right? Round 2, baby, let's do it.
Exercise 1.
That's it. Good one, good one. 15 seconds. Catch your breath here a little bit. Make a note. How you feeling? Feel like puking? Maybe peel back a little bit. That's it. Three now, 7 to go. Ten seconds, boys. Let's go. down.
Exercise 1.
8 seconds, guys. Mark, set, go.
Exercise 1.
5 down, 5 to go, halfway. How you feeling? Pound dog.
3, 2, 1. Exercise 1. 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Ten seconds, guys.
3, 2, 1.
Now let's go.
Exercise 1. 3, 2, 1. Rest.
3 to go. Six seconds, guys.
3, 2, 1. Exercise 1. 3, 2, 1. Rest.
2 to go, guys. 3 seconds.
2, 1. Exercise 1. 3,
One more. Last one, guys. I'm a lot less chatty now. Five seconds.
3,
Let's do it.
2,
Last one.
exercise 1. Three, two. Your timer is complete.
Nice one, guys. Good job. That's day 2 for the cardio. Again, you can do it as a standalone session, or you can tack this on at the end of one of your weight training sessions. It's your choice. If you got longer than that 15 minutes for the workout, strength training, by all means, but make it work within the context of your life. All right, guys? Peace.